Great Wednesday morning. Steve Trzak here, coming at you live on a beautiful day. And do you ever have an experience where you just feel absolutely selfish if you don't share it? And that's what I'm going to share today because it's about time. I've been meaning to do this for the last couple days now. And if you've been watching my stories, Facebook, Instagram, social media is just such a great platform to share things that you truly believe in. And when you have an experience or you deal with a company, or in this case, a small business or another human, it's so easy to share what other people are doing when they're incredible. So if you've been watching, I've been getting Van Buren coffee from my buddy Josh Gettig. You know, the guy that says, "Later, tater." And so I'm most certainly not like a coffee connoisseur by any means, but I enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning with my wife. We'll sit on the back patio. I drink one cup, it's 8 ounces. It kind of gets my day started. It could be part of a routine. I don't necessarily need it, though I love getting mail from Van Buren because first off, always getting recognized. Let's go. Man, they rock. They're out of Michigan. And if you're up for a change, a great quality gourmet coffee, I'm not a spokesperson. I'm just sharing with you what I enjoy and what is important to me. And they have it all freshly ground. It's, again, a small company, but it's not really that small. It's growing, actually, from my understanding, tremendously because they have a great product. So we had a conversation, Josh and I, Josh Gettig, and I've been getting into tea more. So I'm going, I still have my cup of coffee if I do in the morning, but now I've been going more towards tea, specifically like a decaffeinated tea. At night, it kind of relaxes me, it soothes me, it gets me kind of in a state of calm. And so I was telling Josh that, and he goes, dude, did you know that we also do tea? I'm like, dude, no, I had no idea you did tea because it's Van Buren Coffee Company. So I'm so glad I had that conversation because he's like, bro, I'll send you over some tea. You know, try it out, taste it out, let me know what you think. So I said, cool. Lo and behold, I get this package in the mail just, probably a week later. And so I open it up, I'm all excited because I know what it is because we already had this conversation. And it has all these individual tea bags. And actually, no, it's not tea bags because that's what was really intriguing to me is when I opened this up and he sent me quite a few different variations. There's a flu fighter, a berry. These are all loose leaf teas. Because when I open this up, I open up one. I don't know if you can see this, but it's all loose leaves in there. I'm like, that's right, Gail. Dude, where's my card? Dude, oh my quad. Where's my quads? So I'm like, man, I'm not prepared to drink this tea. I don't have, how do you make it? I'm such an amateur if I don't have the tea bags that are already made. So again, he's like, oh man, he goes, I didn't know. He goes, I need to send you over a tea ball. And I'm not talking about the tea ball that my son's going to be starting here once this whole quarantine gets lifted. Not that tea ball. I'm talking about whatever's in this package right here because I've yet to open it up. So I want to share that experience with you in the moment together as friends, as family. And I want to find out what a tea ball actually is. So tea bags, been dealing with those for quite some time now. I usually go with a sleepy time tea. Seems to be kind of my favorite. So, Josh, which one of these teas is similar to a sleepy time tea? Chamomile cleanse. That's gonna be a great one. That's one of my favorite flavors. The berry, which was the serenity. I heard is pretty outstanding. And so, if you're into tea, you're into a fresh, ground, gourmet type coffee, I highly suggest getting the Van Buren coffee and the blend and the brand. I have no affiliation. It's just Josh is just a superstar in my world. He's just such a great dude. It's someone that you want to connect with. If it's not for the coffee, just as a human being. So let's find out what this tea ball is all about, shall we? You want to come experience this with me?
Can I taste it?
Can you taste it? You could taste it. You could try it.
Can I taste some coffee?
I believe these are decaffeinated. If not, I'll figure it out. Yeah, Serenity, I'm looking forward to that. You got really excited when we were talking about that. So you're going to be doing T-ball, right? You're going to do T-ball soon, and this is going to be Dad's T-ball. So let's see what we got here. Josh, I think you're going to probably have to give me a tutorial on how this works. So, okay, this is a cool little canister, black canister, and inside the canister, there's a little spoon. Oh, one cup of perfect tea. Look at that, sanitized. Look at that, it's like ready to go. And then there's these little boxes. So a little box, it's a little tea ball. And inside, this is like Christmas in June. I feel like it's like a stopwatch. You're getting sleepy, my friend. You're getting... as he collapses to the floor. So I'm assuming, Josh, what I do, and this might be a learning tutorial in itself, is I open this up. It's got a little clasp. Total amateur hour here in the T-Team house. And so I put one of these scoops in the T-ball, and then I close it up. And do I heat the water first and then I dip it in there? It's funny because Joe was just playing Chutes and Ladders by himself. He created a character for me. He was playing my character, and then lo and behold, he wins the game. Joe won the game playing by himself, beating Dad down in Chutes and Ladders. Hey, whichever way you gotta win, you gotta win. So I got 2 T-balls. Josh, you're the man. Appreciate that. And I'm going to give this a whirl. I might even just do a quick video walking through how this works. So now I'm excited because I get real fresh tea that is from Van Buren Coffee and Tea now. We call it Van Buren Coffee and Tea. So it's 1 to 2 scoops in the ball, place in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. I could probably even like stir it, something, just kind of get some of that freshness, some of the spice to be extracted from the leaves. Dude, this is so cool, man. I can't thank you enough. I appreciate this, and I've been meaning to do this quick live because I want to share like just amazing people, amazing products. In this day and age, I am all about supporting small businesses, my friends, making sure that, you know, I can get the message out, the word, because if we don't talk about it, we don't know. I want people to share their lives. I'm always interested and intrigued what people are doing in their life. What's making them better? What's leveling them up? What are some of the strategies and tactics and habits that are bettering a greater quality of life for them? So I'm all ears. Trust me, I'm watching you out there. I'm seeing what you're doing, and if there's anything I can do to help, by all means, let me know, and I'll make sure that I can serve you the absolute best way I can. So as a recap, we have some fresh tea leaves, and I have several different options and flavors. What's the one that really caught my attention here? Oh yeah, Evening in Missoula. It's got chamomile, rosehip, raspberry, papaya, peppermint, spearmint, strawberry leaf, vanilla passion flower. I mean, come on, if you can't get excited about like some of the essence and the flavors and the combinations, like you probably just need to check up from the neck up because this is incredible. And I got my T-ball now, so I'm gonna be able to put this into play, and I'm gonna be able to get my evening done right the Van Buren way. And let's go. I trust you all have a great day. Make it a day worth repeating. And make it a day worth repeating. Where is it? I have so much stuff here. I'm confused. Let's go. Josh, appreciate you, buddy.
Let's go.
And enjoy your new place in Arizona. I'm glad you got home safe. Let's get it.